How do you feel about JavaScript versus Python? I know that a lot of people ask, well, which one should I go for first?
Yeah, it's a great question. And as a CS educator, it's one I personally go back and forth on. Python is an extremely powerful program that, similar to JavaScript, has a lot of different applications. And it's not surprising that Python's our first most popular course and JavaScript is our second one. So, with Python, you can get into data science applications. If you're really excited about AI, I would definitely recommend Python. And then if you are interested in very creative applications or doing more web development, web design, I think JavaScript is for you. And the great thing is, honestly, is you can learn both. Like when I was learning how to program, I started with JavaScript and then I took a Python class. And what I found is that learning a second language really helped ground me in the basic principles of programming topics. Say pick one language, Python or JavaScript, and then you could always come back to the second one.